There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up? Y'all already know I work with this company numerous of times. I think this is the company that I have worked with the most. Like when I tell you I have worked with them the most, I have worked with them the most. Over the past few years, me and UNICE have gotten really close. Nice. You know what I'm saying? Rocking their wigs. They have improved. Girl, listen. UNICE is all over the place. If y'all don't know who UNICE is, then girl, listen. Y'all can go to TikTok. Y'all can go to Instagram. Y'all can go to YouTube. Y'all can go to Amazon, AliExpress, their own website. Girl, UNICE is hitting. Plus, they super duper affordable. You can look cute on a budget. And you could just get the wig in the mail and just put it on that same day. You ain't even got to do nothing. I like to do nothing sometimes. I ain't saying I'm lazy because I'm definitely not that. But girl, do like to do nothing at times, like straight up. And this one of those do nothing wigs, okay? Girl, listen, this is summertime. This is boho friendly. This one of those wigs that you just get in the bag, just like this, and then, you know, put it on. They send you all kind of cute stuff with your wig, like some tape, edge brush, so that way, you know what I mean? You can look extra cute, do your little swoop baby hairs. Those of you guys who don't like to switch out or clean your brush, they come with an extra little brush right here. Some of you like to wear the wig caps, which is cool too. Get one of these edge bands. This cutie patootie lace front wig is 24 inches. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knot. Everything is ready. There's no knots. It's already been bleached. Look, she even come highlighted. Got an adjustable strap, a comb, a removable adjustable elastic band. Girl, she coming through. She also has bleached knots, and she's been pre-cut for you guys. She's definitely coming through. Y'all know I'll be like, ooh, I gotta wash it. Ooh, I gotta wash it because it's wavy. Well, I ain't wash it. As y'all can see, I just took it out of the pack. So first things first, make sure that your hairline is cleaned off, and then we just gonna get into it.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather click ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam, 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 but it's not from you, cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cruel. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Checking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the shit, but it didn't work on me. So, baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be, let it be. Forget your lies, forget your ties. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your hair, your dead eye stare. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye to you. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen say goodbye to you. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you've asked me to do. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side. So goodbye.
right, y'all. So this is it. I'm done. She came out real cute. Don't even front. She came out real cute. Now, first of all, she's a 7x5. So if you're thinking like you're not going to be able to style her, you can't get the much parting out of her, baby, look at all this parting, okay? And I was able to part her right here, give her a little bit of tousled hair. Now, this is what I do when it's just a little bit of parting. I make sure to kind of like brush the hair back so that way you don't see like the edge of the wig. But damn, she ready for the summertime. I don't know about y'all, but I don't really like a lot of hair on my face in the heat, like not out here, girl. So if you're going to wear a wig, baby, do it big and fling it over your shoulder or something so that way your face can breathe. Okay, now this is pre-everything, but there was a little bit of speckling going on with the knot. So they not bye forever. They like, I see you later. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Like, see you later. They not really like that visible. You can put a little bit of concealer on it and you're good to go. Highlighted for the summer boho. Okay, for you girlies who love the summer hair, the curly hair, the wavy hair, then you definitely want to check out UNICE. Okay, you definitely want to check out UNICE. They got you looking right, affordable, 180% density. You can still part her wherever you want, even if she is a 7x5. Okay, baby, do it like it's your B-day. Okay, let me know how you will rock this hair. Are you a wavy and curly girl? Do you love that boho vibe? That's what it's giving, boho. Okay, I'm gonna definitely get you right. On that note, I love you all. Leave your comments down below. Are you a summer boho babe? I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious, and I will see y'all in the next one.